This video will walk you through how to log into Seesaw and complete the 1, 2, 3 Seesaw activity for that you will be working on every Monday. So I'm at just my Google search page. I've looked for Seesaw, and I'm going to go ahead and press log in. And of course, I am a student. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google here. I'm going to sign in as Casey Cub. This is our fictional student who will be helping us out throughout the year. So as soon as I get in here, I can see that I have some notifications. I have one activity that needs to be completed, and that's the 1, 2, 3 Seesaw. I'm going to go ahead and click on Add a Response. And I can see when this pulls up, I have a slide here, and then I have a second slide that I'm going to have to work on. Now, I got in here so fast that I didn't even look at my instructions. So I can go ahead and look at those. They're up here at any point in time. So as you walk through this, you can always open those up and see what you need to do next. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is pick a learning artifact from last week that I think shows my thinking. I can add a photo, a screenshot, or a link depending on what I want to actually add. A photo is going to be the camera button, and you can also upload a picture that way as well, or a screenshot. I'm actually going to go ahead and add a link. So anytime you have a Google document that you want to share, you want to do it via a link. And I have decided I'm going to share my About Me slide. So to upload a link, I'm going to click on these three dots and click Link. So I need the link to my document. So I have already opened up the About Me document. Before I get the link, this is really important. I have to make sure that anyone with the link can view my document. So I'm going to click on this share button up here because right now it's private to me. And down here, I can change it to anyone with the link can open it. So I'm going to copy that link, and then I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the green check, and it's going to upload it. And it actually uploads like a whole picture of it. And if you want to, you can center it and make it bigger. The one other thing I'm going to do is add just a title using the T for text. So I'm going to call this About Me. And again, if you want to move it around and make it centered, you're welcome to do that. So that's all you need to do on this first page. On the second page, you're going to add reflections and goals. The most straightforward way to do this is to, again, add a text button. And you're going to describe one thing that went well and one thing you wish you could change. And then again, if you need to make your text box bigger, you can do that. You're going to do the same thing down here for goals. Now, here's a little trick. If you would prefer to speak instead of type in your reflections and your goals, you are welcome to do that. So what you're going to want to do, though, is say something like the audio recording. So to make an audio recording, down here, there's these little quotation marks. I'm going to click on those, and I can add a whole voice caption to this whole page. So you would go ahead and say add voice caption. You would talk about your 2 reflections, talk about your 3 goals, and then go ahead and press the green check to save that. So, and you can add voice captions on each page if you want to. So you could do it on the About Me page too. Now, you might want to write about like what was this learning activity about. You do still need to make sure on this About Me page though, that you add either a photo, a screenshot, or a link. And then once you are done with this, all you are simply going to do is click the green check mark up in the right corner. Going to upload your activity, and then you can see it's now part of your journal here, and you can look on both pages and see what you have recorded and shared.